Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a property that is located in the affluent neighborhood of Southfield, St. Elizabeth. The floor space is approximately 4,150 square feet and the land size is 0.94 acres. It is within striking distance of the famous Lover's Leap and is in proximity to the beaches of Billy's Bay and Treasure Beach. In addition to the four ensuite bedrooms, with one on the ground floor, there is an office upstairs. The entry level has the living and the dining rooms, plus the kitchen. The semi basement level contains the garage, helper's quarters, a kitchenette and a laundry room. The walkout pool and the pool deck complete this well ordained and well maintained property that has on the outside a storeroom. The lawns are immaculate and are suited for entertainment. The view of the South Ocean and the sunset to the south and the southwest is from all levels of this beautiful house. And on the northern side is the view to the mountains. The property represents getaway, entertainment, and revenues, as it can easily be converted to accommodation for guests. Schedule a viewing today. You will be captivated. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 995,000 or Jamaican $156.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.